I really like Chattanooga. I like the nature. I really like nature and kind of being outside. So I really like the environment, the atmosphere, and the campus was really pretty. And as a bonus, I like the dorms. I like living in an apartment and having my own room. I worked with Dr. Pinkos, and we do a lot of organometallic kind of chemistry, a lot of synthesis. So basically what we work with is, it's something called a TPM ligand, which is basically these 3 different 5-member rings called pyrazoles, and they're attached at a carbon center, but you can make different kinds of TPM ligands, and these kind of compounds can be used for bioconjugation when they have a certain kind of functional group attached to it, which can be used within the medical field. We also coordinated it to manganese, a transition metal center, and with 3 carbon monoxide CO groups attached to that compound. And basically those CO groups, they're able to be released, but in a small amount. Carbon monoxide is beneficial for our bodies. So we're trying to now kind of work and see how we can release those CO groups in a controlled manner, since a lot of carbon monoxide isn't good for you. So that's kind of what we're looking at now, and maybe exploring different functional groups to use for bioconjugation. My first dream, I want to be a pediatrician. That's if everything goes according to plan, that's what I want to do, is be a pediatrician. But after going to CERMAX this past weekend, I was really interested also in medicinal chemistry. I thought that was pretty cool, and the fact I could possibly pursue a PhD in that. So that's probably my second kind of choice if medical school is not it. If you don't know what you want to do, that's okay. Because a lot of things can change. For me, I had an idea of what I wanted to do, but going to different things and doing different things, it kind of also had me open my mind a little bit to, you can want to do this, but it's good to have a backup that you're also passionate about. So I think you don't have to come in having your whole life figured out, because that's not really realistic.